So I've been looking back at my old videos, and I saw Angry Birds and Gravity Part 1. Now, I realized that I never released Part 2, so here it is, Part 2, and I am opening Angry Birds Space because, for reasons. So, let's find level 1. Okay, here we go. So, I'm not all that good at this. Okay, 3 stars. Okay, let's set the camera down. Luckily this is a 1-point game. Maybe I can use this paper road okay. So, gravity. Let's talk about gravity. Well, there's basically no gravity in space. So, if I fling the bird will keep going on in that direction forever until he hits something. Which I am going to fling these birds. Okay. So, but if the bird is entering a gravitational field, it is seeming to go toward the planet. See, it's orbiting around the planet, or spinning. Okay. Remind me later, please. See, I want him to orbit around there so that makes a domino effect, into the pig. Okay, 3 stars, great. This level starts within a gravitational field, so I have to be aware of gravity. Now, for the original Angry Birds, there is gravity, unintentionally. Oh, I got a new high score. Okay, now, this kind of gravity is circular gravity, but in the original Angry Birds, you cannot see the whole planet like you can in Angry Birds Space because, well, it's focusing on the birds and the pigs. But here in Angry Birds Space, it's focusing on the birds, the pigs, and the planets. Because it's space, right? In space you have some planets, don't you? Woo. I like using Red's ability to make the pigs jump. It's funny. It's very funny. Okay, so let's go into the solar system levels. Maybe I should try this level. Now, another thing about gravity is that black holes. So for the egg here, if you can see that, they release a short black hole for a few seconds. Now, what black holes do is that they suck everything around them into them. But because the space eggs, they release a black hole for a few seconds. It brings everything toward it. Only for a few seconds, and then gravity takes over unless they're out here, which means that they're in space, and gravity won't be really affecting. In the International Space Station, there is still gravity, okay? Don't make a big fuss about, the International Space Station, there's no gravity there. There is. But the International Space Station is going so quickly around the Earth that, it's very close to Earth's gravity. But, it goes so quickly that Earth's gravity and the force that it keeps it going around, actually cancel out on each other. So that's why the International Space Station seems like there's no gravity inside, but there actually secretly is. I'm horrible at these levels. Okay. Solar system levels. Okay. These are based on the actual planets. Oh, this one is feathers. Okay, I'm working on getting all stars. Okay, so International Space Station. So if you have the new updates of Angry Birds Space, then you can find out little tidbits about each single one. Gravity. Mercury doesn't really have, well, I mean Pluto, sorry. Pluto does not really have a gravitational field. It does, sort of. And it doesn't really have an atmosphere. Well, it does, sort of. When Pluto has an atmosphere, when it is closer to the sun. When farther away, it freezes. So basically, the mass of I almost said Google, Pluto. Some of the frozen part of it, like methane, evaporates when it's closer to the sun, and that creates its atmosphere. But when it's farther away, the methane, most of it, just freezes back onto the planet. So that's a little bit of a little known fact. Okay. Yay! Pluto's in the solar system! Okay, so you see that everything is orbiting around the sun for some reason. You see that they have a perfectly circular orbit. But real planets in the solar system don't have a perfectly circular orbit. They have elliptical orbits. Let me stop scrolling now and just find a planet to land on to. Okay, level 14. In this level, we don't have any gravitational fields. So watch as the bird, when he hits the thing, he continues going on in that direction. For a different example, watch as Terence hits that little piece of wood there. He starts to go in a slightly different direction. If you watch carefully. Ooh. And then the laser bird sort of stops. Well, he doesn't exactly stop, because an object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an outside force. And there's the outside force there. It stopped that little laser bird. Oh, dang it, I'm so bad at this. Go. Psst. Okay. Sorry, I'm blocking the view. It didn't kill him. No! It didn't kill him. Dang it, why did it not kill him? Okay, never mind. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is just Angry Birds and Gravity Part 2. And if you want to see a whole explanation on Angry Birds space gravitational fields, then maybe you should go on over to Khan Academy and maybe look into the community explanation section of the Cosmology section. I think it's in the physics section, I'm sorry. But look for my explanation at jmyelmo. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.